Sleepy English Academy.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What's your name?
My name is Sam.
How are you today?
I'm doing well. Thank you.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Can you help me with this?
Sure, I'd be happy to help.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-1234.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
What time is it?
It's 2:30 p.m.
How do I get to the train station?
Go straight, then turn left at the light.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
How much is this?
It's $20.
Are you busy right now?
Yes, I'm working on a project.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Can I sit here?
Yes, go ahead.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing. Thank you.
Do you work here?
Yes, I'm an employee here.
Can you repeat that, please?
Of course. I said take a left here.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and painting.
What's your email address?
It's example@gmail.com.
How far is it to the airport?
It's about 30 minutes from here.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
Have you eaten lunch?
Yes, I just finished.
Where did you go on vacation?
I went to Italy.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
What are you doing tonight?
I'm going out with friends.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink it every morning.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 2 years.
Can you drive?
Yes, I have a license.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite is Inception.
Have you been here before?
No, it's my first time.
Are you a student?
Yes, I'm studying business.
Do you need help with that?
No, I'm okay, but thank you.
What do you think of this place?
It's beautiful.
Do you like music?
Yes, especially rock music.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I'm available in the evening.
What's your hobby?
I love cooking.
How's the traffic?
It's heavy right now.
Where's the restroom?
It's down the hall on the left.
What time is your meeting?
It's at 10 a.m.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis.
What's your favorite book?
I love Pride and Prejudice.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I could eat.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta.
Need more time?
Yes, a few minutes.
Subscribe for more videos. Your support helps me create more content. Thanks for watching.